Hey guys, this is Marshall Jam Top Dog, and this is the field trucks for Psalm Series 2553. Here we go. I'm involved here. The trucker driver for Troll Loco, Jackson Davis here in Glaze Machine, and King James TV, you're the Mad Scientist. There's our trucks you can choose from: Mastermind Junkyard Dog, Racing Stripes, Torque Terror, Tasmanian Devil, Iron Outlaw, Backwards Ball, Bounty Hunter, The Mystery Machine, Black Panther, Barbarian, Bionic Bruiser, Inverted Dragon, Medusa, Overboard, Obsession, Max D, Shocker, Thor, Full Bore, Valk Rescue, Zombie, Clydesdale, Spider-Man, Hot Rod Toxic, Instigator, and Roger Dodger. That's it. See you guys later. Bye.